January 5th, National Bird Day. Avian Harmonies. The chirpy wheedling of a thrush invites me to the dewy gardenscape at dawn. I savor hints of pine, a finch alights, all fidgety and flirty, but he's gone in practiced whispers. Then a raucous call, a jealous jay announcing that the space belongs to him. The morning protocol resumes as callers tunefully embrace my quiet presence. Now a yellow flash, the whistly greeting of a warbler, shrill, falsetto. I reflect upon my brash companions of the homestead, how they thrill, as I, at tickling mist and pinkish skies. A time for each of us to fantasize.